I straight away welcome you all for today's session. In our previous session, we started with what? Ionic equilibrium. Then we ended and also winded theories of acids and the bases. Okay, right. So there are three theories of or for acids and the bases. The first one was Arrhenius theory, and the second one was Lowry and the Bronsted theory, and the third, the latest one was Levy's theory. So in the previous session, we discussed about the with examples Arrhenius theory. Okay, now today we start the remaining two theories for acids and bases. So once again, I welcome you all for today's session on the two theories of acids and bases. In that, today's first theory is Lowry and the Bronsted theory. This theory explains about acids and the bases in what way on the proton ground. Okay, there in the Arrhenius, acid is the one which donates H plus. Okay, base is the one which donates OH minus. Right. But here in the Lowry and the Bronsted theory, they said broader meaning or the broader definition for acids and the bases. So, according to the Lowry and the Bronsted theory, acid is a proton donor. Here it is. And base is a proton acceptor straight away with respect to proton. Therefore, this is called as the proton theory. Okay. So, proton donor is an acid, proton acceptor is a base. Please see this equation. Okay. Here it is donating proton to the water. So, proton donor, Lowry Bronsted acid. Proton acceptor, Lowry Bronsted base. So, after donating, this became CH3COO minus ethanoate ion. Whereas after accepting H plus proton, it became hydronium ion. Okay, right. Now see this example between ammonia and the water. So who is accepting here? So H2O is giving proton to ammonia. So ammonia becomes NH4 plus. And after losing proton by the water, water converts into what? OH minus. Okay. So in the reverse reaction, NH4 plus donates a proton to OH minus ion because see this is rich in proton. So when these two will combine, so this proton is given by the NH4 plus to the OH minus and this will happen once again. So this is acid base. Here it is acid and the base. Okay, right. Now using the knowledge of what Lowry and the Bronsted, we come to one more small bit known as conjugate acid base pair. Okay, means what? It's a counterpart. Okay, for example, if this is an acid, okay, this is giving proton. This has to accept proton. Okay, after losing proton, this becomes the base. So this is the base of what? Base of this acid. Which base? Conjugate base of this acid. So this pair is there, no? Acid 1 and the base 1. This is called as conjugate acid pair number 1. Now base is what? Base is accepting proton. Okay. So converting into this one. Right. So this is what? Acid. Acid of what? Acid of this base. Which acid? This is the conjugate acid. After the formation, after the formation, that is called conjugate. Okay. So conjugate acid of base. So that means this is another acid base. Which is acid base? Conjugate acid base pair. Okay. Right. That means what is conjugate acid base pair? A conjugate acid base pair differ by a proton. Very simple. That means here he has given the definition for the acid base and the conjugate acid base pair. Okay. All in terms of what? Proton theory. One more example. NH3, H2O. Water gave proton. Say accepted the proton. Okay, right. This is again gives what? Proton. So this is acid of which base? This. This is the what? Base. Base of an acid. So this is one pair. This is another pair. Okay, right. In the same way, reaction between bicarbonate ion and the water. Water gives the proton to the bicarbonate, making the bicarbonate into what? Hydrogen carbonate. Okay, right. So this converts into what? OH minus. So this is giving proton acid, accepting proton base. Now here is what? This is a hydrogen, this is carbonic acid. Okay, so this will give proton. That means this is acid. Acid of what? Acid of this base. So this is one conjugate acid base pair. Okay. In the same way, this is what? Conjugate base of what? Conjugate base of an acid. This is acid. Okay. So this is another pair. Okay. In the same way, this is also one example. Kindly go through. Many examples I have given you. So please practice all these. Okay. Right. Now, if the acid is strong, its conjugate base is weak. And if the base is strong, its conjugate acid is weak. In the same way, if the acid is weak, its conjugate base is strong. If the base is weak, its conjugate acid is what? Strong. Naturally, no, because after accepting, again they want to lose. Best example is here. Reaction between HCl and the NH3 to give Cl minus and the NH4 plus. So HCl is a very strong acid. So it's a conjugate base, you see, very weak base. It's a weak base, but this is what? A strong acid. Suddenly this gives proton, strong acid. Okay, so this statement holds good here. In the same way, same statements you can apply for this example also. Now we'll go to the third and the final theory for acid and a base. So this theory explains acids and bases on electronic ground. Okay, so before that, please see the reaction. This is a BF3, boron trifluoride, ammonia. Boron is the electron deficient, group 13 member, electron deficient. Okay, but here electron pair is available. Okay, with nitrogen of ammonia, right? So therefore, this nitrogen having one lone pair, okay, it want to give its lone pair to the boron. Okay, because boron and nitrogen they want to make a bond. For formation of a bond, 2 electrons required. Each has to contribute, but boron says I don't have, but nitrogen says I am having one extra electron. So I am having a pair. Both I am giving. So electron giving is only from nitrogen side. So it gives both electron and the bond is formed. Okay, so that is called this reaction. This is called adduct. Adduct is what? Addition product of these two is called as a adduct. So this is electron pair acceptor, electron pair donor. That means we are coming to know what definition or the meaning for Lewis acid and the basis on electronic ground. A Lewis acid is an electron pair acceptor. A Lewis base is an electron pair donor. So accepted, donated. So because it is donated, therefore it is a Lewis base. It is accepted the electron pair, therefore it is a Lewis acid. All these are example for Lewis acid and the Lewis base on electron pair accepting nature and electron pair donating nature, and accordingly product is formed here. Addition product is formed here. Okay. Now this is one more example. Please you only kindly go through or practice it. Okay, then you will understand. Now this is a summary of the three theories of acids and the bases. Okay, so I have given the comparative statement here. So on what grounds they are defined, on what ground they differ. Okay, so please practice. So I think today we have studied all the three theories of acids and the bases, and in the tomorrow's class how they undergo ionization or the dissociation. So till then, have a nice time. Okay, thank you.